Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add business name and logo to Google Ads. So the first step is to simply click on the create button and then you just have to create a campaign. So I'm going to choose a random one. Here I'm going to choose this one and then click on continue. And after that, what we're gonna have to do is simply enter our details. So let me search here for a random app. Let's see if we can find one. So I'm going to choose this one here and then click on continue. And then here we have the location, and then here we have basically we're gonna have the option to enter our business name and logo. Now this is an app promotion, so it's not available because you're promoting an app, but if you choose other campaigns, you'll be able to add the logo if you go to sales or leads. So as you can see, we have search. So let me choose this one here and then click on this one. Let's click on agree and continue. But overall, that's all you have to do. So here we just have to simply finish entering the details, and then we're gonna be able to add our logo, etc. It should be right here. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.